today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 useful websites for freelancers. So I'm going to share with you very, very important websites that if you're a freelancer, you can actually leverage on this website and actually make you more money, because it's going to make you finish your work very fast and be able to work with more clients. And also, you can also help you to start agencies if you're actually interested in growing big as a freelancer. So let's just dive right straight into the video. The first skill I'm going to be talking about is copywriting, because I know that one of the very good things that we need to know about selling online is that you need a good copy. So for those who don't know what copywriting is all about, copywriting is basically selling with your words. That's like the simplest way I can be able to put copywriting to you. So copywriting is basically selling with your words. So when you want to write text that people are going to read. When they read those texts, they are going to take action to buy or take action to give you that email address, or anything you actually want them to do, they will do it. So this is actually one thing you need for yourself. And with the help of AI tools right now in the marketing industry, the need for writing a very, very high and a very, very good copy is so much in the market, because AI is making work so much easier, and it's also making people to see or read text in a very different way. So the first tool I'm going to be showing you right now is actually called copy.ai. So the first tool is actually called copy.ai. I'm just going to go to Google right now and just put copy.ai. So this is actually the first tool I'm going to be showing you right now. And this tool actually helps you to write good copies. So as a copywriter, you can actually use this tool to write good copy for yourself, and also blog posts. You write blog posts 10 times faster, write higher converting posts, write more engaging emails. Copy.ai experience as in copy.ai is everything: blog posts, digital ads, e-commerce copy, sales ads, social media content, web copy, write better content faster, say goodbye to blank pages. Copy.ai is everything you need to know as a copywriter, because this is actually going to help you save more time and also help you save more money and make more money for yourself. One of the things that I like about copy.ai is how the AI actually designs or comes up with their write-up. Just like, I don't know if you guys know about ChatGPT now. ChatGPT is like the new AI tool in town. Everybody's talking about ChatGPT. Copy.ai is also another very, very good AI tool you can actually use. All you just have to do is to get started for free here. You can just sign up with Google. I'm going to put a link to sign up on copy.ai, so you can be able to start using this website for yourself. The next website I'm going to show you is actually called the Facebook Ads Library. If you're a Facebook ads expert, or you're a Facebook ads person, you run Facebook ads for businesses or clients, or you do Facebook advertising. Basically, Facebook ads library is going to come handy for you, because it's going to help you see or get head start about the ads you want to run. You just have to go do that right now. To go to google.com and click on Facebook Ads Library. Type it on Google search bar. It's going to show you it's going to show you a search result. Click on it, just follow the prompt I did on my computer screen. And the next thing, just have to come. I'm in Nigeria, so it's going to show Nigeria, and click on ad category. Click on all ads. Then you come here and actually look for the product you're actually promoting, or you actually want to sell. If it's a wristwatch, if it's a shoe, if it's an affiliate marketing program, if it's an e-commerce, anything, just come here, click on it, and let me just say watch. So I'll click on enter. It's going to show me different ads that's actually running across the Facebook ads platform: Instagram, Facebook, Audience Insights, Messenger. I'm going to see everything basically, and I'm going to know how to structure my ads, see their copies. I can also be with this tools goes hand in hand with copy.ai. I can see what people are doing and be able to use copy.ai to actually craft exciting copy for myself and actually use it to make more money for myself. The next website I'm mostly going to be showing you is actually called Jenny.ai. So this AI is like the next big thing in town. If you're not using AI in your marketing strategy or your marketing tool, you're actually losing out a lot. People will say AI is going to take people's job, AI is going to do this, it's going to do that. That's not true. AI is actually here to help us. AI is actually here to make our work very, very easy. Because if you see an AI as a writing assistant, you are going to do much more with AI, because AI is just everything you need to complete. You don't need to take word for word what AI is going to write for you, but it's going to help you to write a blog post that can take you 2-3 days to write, 4 days to write. You can write that blog post in 30 minutes, in 1 hour. You see, you already have an insight about the topic you want to write before. You already have the graphics already. All you just have to do is just to plug into an AI source, and the AI writes for you. Then you see, you read, you correct, you write it in a human form that people are going to read and understand. Because one thing you don't want to do is to actually take that AI copy and put it on your blog post, or put it on your social media post, because it's on Google especially, it's not going to rank. Let me not put it that way. It's not going to rank. But you want to see writing AI as a writing assistant, and you are going to be able to use it much more better for yourself, and don't complain about AI taking jobs or AI not taking jobs. You see that AI is actually used by top companies. I'm actually recommending things that I use. These are tools that actually make my work very, very faster. If I get people, I want to write blog posts, I want to create copies, I want to do instant job very quick. I just use all these AI tools. I put in my words, I write, I paraphrase, I check for plagiarism, and I actually use all of this. I'm actually giving writing tools because right now your content is king. You just have to create content, and writing and creating of blog posts, creating of social media posts can actually be overemphasized. So that's why I'm actually giving you more tools that has to do with writing. So you can see if a Meta uses this, a Meta, which is Facebook, the parent company of Facebook, Google, Harvard University of Stanford, Cambridge. As in, this is actually a great platform because people, top companies, top CEOs actually use this blog post, essay, email, stories, speech, personal statements. I mean, it is so much powerful. But Jesus Christ, as in AI is everything. Gen.ai output 99% plagiarism free content. AI autocorrect. I mean, this is so much. I'm gonna put the links to I'm using this platform on the description. You just have to go there. You're going to see the link in the description. The next thing actually I'm going to be showing you is actually called Cubot. I feel like some people actually know this already. Cubot is actually a very, very great tool that is going to help you to, paraphrase. If you want to paraphrase something, Cubot is actually a very, very, very nice tool that can help you do all of that for your business, for yourself, for your essays, for your anything, name it, you're writing, just put it there. It's going to paraphrase the words for you, and you are going to be good to go. I'm going to actually do a lot of video about tools that's going to help you to make your work faster. That when it comes to AI and its technology, I'm going to actually do a lot of videos about it. For now, I'm just going to not give you these 4 writing tools. I gave you 3 writing tools, and I gave you one Facebook ads and helping tools. So this is actually the AI paraphrasing tools. I actually give you 3 writing tools right now: Gen.ai, Copy.ai, then Cubot for paraphrasing, and I also give you a place where you can actually see copies, and where you can see Facebook ads that's actually running on Facebook platform, and you are actually good to go. I feel like this is everything you actually need to succeed. If you're a copywriter, if you're a content writer, you write blog posts, you can be able to do a lot of things. You can see paragraph checker, grammar checker, summarizer, as in this is a lot. Just put in the word you want to paraphrase here and click on paraphrase. It's going to show you here the paraphrased words already. You can co-write anything you want to do. I mean, this is actually a lot of information I'm actually giving you right now. I'm just going to give you one more tools, and this tool is actually video creator too. I'm supposed to do this in my next video, but I'm going to just give you that platform. It's actually called lume5.com. Let me just put it there, lume5.com. It helps you to create videos. This is actually a lot of information I'm actually giving you out for free. It's actually a masterclass. I believe that if you actually find value in this video you are watching right now, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, support me, and also make sure you share the video so other people can be able to see this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel so we can be able to grow, and I can be able to make more content like this for you. So grow your brand and drive demand with video and skills. Online video creator make it easy for anyone to join your team and create engaging video. So this is actually a video creator platform that helps you to create nice videos. AI built to repurpose marketing content, automatically turn blog posts into video, or transform Zoom recording into captivating clips. This is actually nice. I'm actually giving you this guy. This this is actually very very still. This is still. This is actually. I'm actually giving you something for still here. All you just have to do actually is to click on the link. I'm going to put all the links to actually join all of these platforms in the description. Just go there, click on it, sign up on this platform. I mean, they are free, so sign up and actually use them. I'm going to just take one of them case studies and one of them do case studies on them, show you how to use them practically and the details video one after the other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm going to see you in the next video.